BitSight company, that must offer you a certain amount of leverage. Can you tell us some of the positives with working within that ecosystem?
One of the interesting aspects is that before BitSight, we were trying to play our role into improving the security in general worldwide, but more from a technical standpoint, like trying to protect companies on a technical standpoint. But with BitSight, things has changed substantially. It opened us to a completely new world where we can actually improve security, not on the technical side, but by translating the security language into a business language, so that you can actually explain top management what they need to do in terms of investing in security. And this is much more powerful than doing it at a technical level. Because when you're dealing with technical people, there is only so much they can do. But if you go to the top management with the language they understand, which is what we do with BitSight, then this means that they will understand the problem, they will understand what they need to do to focus and how much they need to invest. So I think ultimately we are right now in a much better position to play a role in improving security worldwide because of that. And it's not just the BitSight customers, but also their partners. Because what often happens, and this is really interesting to see this happening nowadays, is that a BitSight customer will use the product to monitor their ecosystem, to monitor their own security posture. But when they notice, for example, that one of their partners has a bad rating because their security posture is not that great, they are going to essentially send them a report and tell them, hey, your security is not that great, this can be a risk for me. And by doing so, they are going to essentially make that company try to improve their security. So this networking effect is really positive. And that company eventually can become a customer and do the same, and you see this network effect. So I think for me the most exciting thing that we are seeing right now, for the fact of becoming part of the BitSight vision, is having this really positive impact in the industry as a whole, not by the technical aspect, but by the business level.